We got Sosar Bouge, hashtag TND with the 15. Thank you, Sosar Bouge, hashtag TND. He says, hello, Jet and Nick. Nick, could you elaborate on how to lie to get car dealership jobs? General tips, where to go, and say, where do I say I came from?
Yeah, so the lying to get a car dealership job. So you say your cousin is so there's a term called a 20 car guy or a 25 car guy. It's basically saying, it's like the man. Every dealership has one.
Yeah.
One or two people that are like just crushing it. If you know one of them as a car salesman, they know you that you know how to do it.
Yeah.
They expect it. You know what I mean? So that being said, like you just say my cousin, and then you find someone, who cares? And they're not gonna look him up. Just make sure he's far away. And that you say my cousin works at a Lexus dealership. He sells 25 cars a month. He told me everything I need to know. I used to work at, you got to make sure it's far away. Or you worked at a used car superstore. They usually don't check those. Say you worked at I worked for CarMax, and I did 20 cars, but their pay plan sucks, and that's why I left. I left because I wasn't being paid. So yeah, you just lie. Just lie to them and tell them your cousin did it, your uncle, your father. Who cares? You don't even have to have a father. You don't even have to have an uncle. It doesn't matter. You don't be fucking honest to car salesman's manner. Who gives a shit? It's the car business. It's like taking the SATs to be a fucking stripper. Like, it doesn't matter. You know what I mean? You're help procuring. You're gonna be fine at it. And just work your ass off and say you work your ass off and run. I forgot to tell you guys that. Run. All you salesmen out there, it was a parlor trick I used to do. A party trick. Just run. Just everywhere you're going. When you get the keys, all right, guys, I'll be right back. Why are you running so fast? I don't want to waste your fucking time. Do you know what the number one problem in the car business is, Mr. Customer? Do you know what the number one problem in the car business is? It takes too much fucking time. And that's a quote. That's a quote from the New York Times.
Yeah.
I used to say that every deal. And then you go, huh. It just like snaps into a frame. Like, you don't want to be hanging out with me. You don't want to know about my kid and shit. Like, let's not get into any of this. You want to look at cars. That's it. You want to see if you like it. I'm not going to sell you shit. There's nothing for me to sell you. See if you like it. Here's the keys. Go crazy. Drive it, flip it, fucking rob a bank with it, drive it through mud, take it into the ocean for all I care. This isn't the one you're going to be buying unless you really want this one, then be careful.
You're a good salesman.
That's it. Yeah. And then they're like, just give him the fucking check, David. Give him the check, David.
Next up, we have Luke Bagnall with the 15. Thank you, Luke.